Jeremiah. Hi. How are you? Huh? This is our Thanksgiving. Jeremy's playing on the floor, waiting for the food to be done. Oh, hi! Hi! I want some turkey today. I want some turkey today. And there is Christy Bird. Christy Bird. Christy Bird. Christy Bird. Here's the crew showing their muscles. No, I'm just kidding.
You don't really have any film in there, right?
No.
No.
Right on the top of it?
Yeah, that just means it's on.
Sure. Sure does.
Who's this little
Show me
guy?
some muscle, hon.
Who's this little guy, huh? Hey, who's this little guy? Who's this little guy? Huh?
Someone's toes are gotten.
Oh, no.
Someone's toes are gotten.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Not my boy!
Oh yeah, there we go. Here, this is a picture of our rocking chair.
Yeah, right.
Oh, what's this?
Where are you going? Where are you going? You looking for some more crumbs? Huh?
What else? What else, buddy?
I'm gonna get you.
What he did to me earlier today, you know how he crawls towards you and then you crawl towards him at the same height and he gets a kick out of it?
Yeah.
Well, we crawl right up to each other and he puts his face right against my face and he's still laughing and he pushes. He's trying to push me. Oh.
Trying to push me out of the way, huh? Yeah, you big hardhead, you. You big hardhead, yeah. Yeah.
So when
push me out of the way.
just let me know when you want me to do potatoes.
Jesus, I'm doing it. You're supposed to be doing it. Come here.
This thing's weird. I've been messing with the iris button.
What is the iris? The coloring?
No, it's I'm not sure exactly. Yeah, it has to do with the lighting. Is he making fart sounds down there now?
Come help, David.
Okay, hold on.
What do you mean?
I just want them like whipped. I mean, not whipped, but you know, that's good.
Real soft.
I mean, they're pretty soft, but just like whipping, you know.
Okay.
I gotta get the hang of this tripod. It's weird. Hey, buddy, where you going? Where are you going?
Hi, Jeremiah and Daniel. Oh, hi.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, Dad.
Hang on.
Oh,
Look.
where's that car?
Hey, buddy. See if it'll focus on him.
Say Dada. Dada. Come on, go say Dada. You want? Here, hold my hand. Hold
sister's kids were about that age, I used to love to go and babysit for them.
Oh,
They were more fun.
They are.
They
They're
were
so
more
much
fun. I mean, you
fun.
can give them anything to play with, newspaper, anything, and they just go
They're
bananas over it.
excited. I know. They just love it. They're just little brains are absorbing everything.
Yeah.
Woo!
Here we have
You're
the
getting raw.
our official potato masher.
Yeah. That's about how I used to make mine. About this consistency.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Okay, something's up.
Okay, David, off and come.
Wait, I'm trying to figure out what it's supposed.
You have a job to do.
I always do.
You don't need this.
Thank you. Turkey time. Dad, come on.
Turkey time.
Wait. Go turn on the ball. Is it
Steven,
plugged
Steven, come here. It's not on. It's not on. What do you?
in?
Come on, Steven, here.
Oh, see? Oh, you didn't do it.
I.
It's a chunky little bit. Chunky little bit.
Look at him do the chunky dance.
Chunky little bit today. Chunky little bit today.
You need to back up for me. Back up.
Chunky little bit. Chunky bit today. A chunky bit today. A chunky bit. A chunky
He's doing the
bit.
chicken area.
Chunky
Go
bit.
get him, Johnny.
I'm
Go
tired.
get him. You tired?
You can't get me.
Come on, let's do the chicken area. Come on.
I'm tired.
1, 2, 3. Chucky. Wait. Chucky. Chucky there. Yes. Chucky over there. Chucky's over there. Oh, like this? Oh, no, don't fall.
You want to know my name?
For just a minute. What's your name?
Don Coyote. Don Coyote. Don Coyote.
Really?
Don Coyote.
Don Coyote, huh? Do you live in the Western days?
No. Go away, Jose.
I was out eating my dinner.
Oh, I
My
see.
Thanksgiving dinner. Jelly cat.
Did you hear him? He was calling you. He said, "Daddy, Dad," when you walked in the door.
Oh man, I'm tired.
Thanksgiving night. Fat bellies. And some of us have had a few drinks.
Oh yeah, right.
What do you mean, yeah, right?
Big guilty person.
Old rabbit pellet gun.
Ooh,
Hey,
stinky
Steven.
shoe, stinky
What?
shoe.
Who are you, boy? What you doing in this town, man?
Don't you know my name?
No, what's your name, fine young fella?
What was it? The
Oh.
wolf something? Oh, I remember. Don Coyote.
Oh, hi, Mr. Don Coyote.
Hello.
What you doing with that rifle?
There's some robbers in this town.
Oh, I see.
Careful, because he's trying to.
It's my rifle. It's my rifle. Too.
Oh, baby. A little one. You guys are like right in the light. You need to go over there.
Where?
Oh, yeah.
Like right here? Will this help you out? Here they
Actually,
are!
I think it's her.
Yay! Mama's got a red eye, Mama's got a red
There,
eye.
that looks good.
Milky.
Jeremiah.
Look, Mama.
Oh, he's not looking at Mama. He's looking at
The bird.
Grady Bird. Where's Grady Bird? Where's Christy? Oh, she's on top.
Oh, it's time for a piece of pie, finally.
Won't focus in on her. There she is. Hi, crazy girl.
How'd the pie turn out?
There he is, trying to gain a few pounds. He's too thin. Right here.
Ooh, that's more than 3 strikes. That's 4 strikes.
Caught him in the act. Caught him in the act. Thanksgiving evening. Caught his hand in the pie. Huh, Jeremy? We're gonna pause this baby and take a look at the kitchen. Okay, this is Thanksgiving night.
You need to go brush your teeth and hop in bed. Okay, so draw the last thing that you draw right there and go to bed.
And this is our slot. Our stuffing, our turkey, dirty old gross bowls making pumpkin pie. What do we got here? Yummy cinnamon coffee,
Put your stuff away and go
yummy
brush your teeth.
pies, pumpkin pie,
We gotta get up.
chocolate pie, whipping cream. He doesn't have to go to school
Why not?
because there is no school.
Why?
Vacation.
Are you serious? He gets a vacation? Well, that's cool.
What's a vacation?
Means
that means
he
you
days
get the
out.
day
There's
off.
the
He
big
gets-
turkey.
Really? He gets Friday off?
Yes, he does, honey. Do you want it in writing?
Well, that just sounds weird. That thing's not screwed on tight or something. It's like shifting on top of the thing.
Oh. It's all my dirty dishes. I don't know, there's my refrigerator.